So not only are these raindrop pendant light bulbs absolutely beautiful, they are so easy to put together. It only took me about 30 minutes to get these 3 up above my kitchen island. It comes with everything that you need to put it together, including the 3 ropes for the actual pendant itself, 3 individually wrapped sets of hardware and white gloves for each one as well. Of course, the 3 ceiling light covers and the mounting brackets. 3 light bulbs, so you don't even have to worry about purchasing those separately. And of course, the 3 raindrop pendant light covers that are so gorgeous. They are made out of glass, pretty heavy, but I am so impressed with the quality of these. They are absolutely gorgeous. First, you want to make sure that you turn off the breaker and remove your previous light. Then you're going to put up the mounting bracket, making sure that the wires are coming through the middle. Then there's this little plastic piece that comes on the actual cord of the light. You're going to slip that off so that you can thread the wires through this cover that goes on the ceiling. Once you have that through, you'll want to take that little plastic piece that you took off and put it back on. There are 2 holes, so just put it through one side at the beginning. And this is the piece that's going to help hold the cord in place, so once you have it hung up, it's not going to slide down through. Once you have the length figured out that you want it at, you are going to take those wires again and then thread it through the other little hole in that plastic piece and slide it all the way down, and then that will secure it in place. And I always double check again just to make sure that I didn't move it when I was re-threading that part through. Next, you just have to attach the wires from the light to the wires from the ceiling to their corresponding colors. So black to black, white to white, and grounding to grounding. You'll just twist these together using the little covers that it comes with so that they stay in place. The trickiest part is probably trying to get all the extra cord up into the hole so that you can't see it, but once you have that done, it's really easy. You'll just slide the cover over top of all of that, and then there are 2 screws on either side of the cover that you will just have to tighten, and then it's ready to go, and that part is in place. Next, you just insert the light bulb, and then you place the raindrop pendant cover over top of that light bulb, and then there are 3 little screws around the outside that you will just tighten to hold that glass bulb secure. Once those 3 screws are tightened, there is a little cover above those screws that you will just twist down to cover them so that you can't see them while it's hanging. There are 2 little screws at the top and the bottom of the cord that you can tighten to give a little bit extra stability. And that is all there is to it. They are done. They are gorgeous. They are so easy to put up and so beautiful. It took me no time at all, and I love them.